Hello guys, in this video, I will compare Typeset and Blaze, two of the powerful formatting tools for academic and professional publishing. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, ease of use. Typeset offers a simple, clean UI that supports drag and drop for formatting and auto citation tools. Blaze, on the other hand, has a more developer-friendly approach, especially useful for users who prefer Markdown and Git-based collaboration. Number 2, template and export support. Typeset provides 100,000 plus journal templates, making it ideal for students and researchers, while Blaze focuses more on business documents and offers smoother PDF to HTML conversion tools. Number 3, collaboration and AI features. Blaze recently added AI-assisted editing and summary generation, while Typeset sticks to structured document flow and versioning. Number 4, their pricing. Typeset has a freemium model with limits on exports, while Blaze is slightly more affordable for teams. So for final verdict, you can use Typeset if you need academic specific tools, and you can go for Blaze if your work is more for technical or business focused works. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.